Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a kitchen clean with me slash decorate. Not a whole lot of decorations, but I do want to style the kitchen island, maybe get some little decorative towels for the dishwasher and the oven, which I haven't had that in this house since we moved here. Yeah, I don't think I've done that. Nothing like I did at my previous house. But anyway, my kitchen is a little tore up, y'all. That's to be expected. But anyway, so we're gonna clean this up. I'm gonna also clean my oven, but you know, in the past I've always used the pink stuff. I love the pink stuff. I stand by the pink stuff, but I am gonna use a different product because I am trying to get in and out today, and I don't know how it's gonna work out. So I'm gonna be using the Easy Off fume free oven cleaner, and I've never used that before, and I'm sure you're like, girl, I know you lying, but I'm not. In the past there's always been somebody else cleaning the oven. It's never been me cleaning my oven. So yeah, I've never used that product on the oven. I've used that product to deglaze furniture, but anyway, I digress. Like I said, I'm gonna clean my kitchen, clean my oven, and style my kitchen island. So if you're interested in this cleaning motivation, listen to some jams, keep on watching. Okay y'all, so this is a brief overview of everything that's going on in the kitchen. I really do appreciate you all for tuning in today. Hopefully this will give you the motivation you need if you are feeling unmotivated and you just don't know where to start, because I'm feeling like that in this video as well, especially when it concerns this oven. I really don't know how it got this bad. I mean, because I use the air fryer quite a bit. So anyway, we're gonna tackle it today. But first things first, usually I like to just clear off surfaces because it just gives me a sense of relief a little bit, that I can actually see my kitchen. So that's where I'm starting first. It had just dawned on me that I was supposed to spray my oven first and foremost, but I completely forgot about it. But I'm doing it here now. It does say that this is a glove-free product, but further along in the video, when I do clean this spray off of the oven, I will be using some gloves. But it was easy to apply. Obviously, it's just a spray. As far as it being fume-free, I still smelled something, and I didn't really enjoy it. I think it was lemon scented, but it just, I didn't like it. And that's probably why I like the pink stuff so much, because I don't smell anything, and I just like the pink stuff. But anyway, I'll give you my final opinion after I clean the oven out. But yeah, so far so good.
Stronger. Wish I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Yeah. And you
So there are a few things that I don't like to put in my dishwasher. My air fryer pieces are one of those, baking sheets or baking pans, frying pans, knives, like my really sharp knives. I don't put them in the dishwasher. I like to wash everything by hand. And I am going to clean out my kitchen sink prior to doing a little bit of hand washing of some dishes, because it was a little bit dirty. Anyway, y'all, I was having a rough night before, and I really wanted to get up and clean the kitchen, but I fell asleep. And you know what? Sometimes that's going to happen, and it's okay. And I hope that you aren't hard on yourself when it comes to falling asleep without a clean kitchen. It's going to happen, y'all. It's going to happen, and you will survive, and it's going to be okay. I'm trying not to make it a habit, though, and I have been doing pretty good. I want to say we have been doing good, because Sugarfoot will go to work. Well, that's my husband's nickname. His name is Luke. Luke will go to work and he'll come home late, and if the kitchen is tore up from the floor up, he will clean the kitchen. And then he'll tear up the kitchen again because he'll cook himself a midnight snack. But hey, we work together over here.
She said I won't be back in a while, don't wait. Already packed her bags, called the cab, made space. And she said I won't answer if you call me when you're lonely. I guess I let her go, never mind, it's too late. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. It's not enough, and maybe time will make you fade, but I don't know if I'm ready to just let you go away like my friends think I should. Cause what if I just wanna be with you? I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. Honestly, I can't remember if you love me, or maybe I'm just feeling lonely, I don't know. Just let her go. She got herself a guy, and he's good, no, he's great. Everything she wanted packed behind the pretty face. But I kinda hope he breaks her heart into little pieces and let me pick them all back up, put them back together. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. Cause what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see. But honestly, I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like I did when I think about you now. What if I just wanna be with you? Oh, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. But honestly, I can't remember if you loved me, or maybe I'm just feeling lonely, I don't know. Just let it go. But what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see. Honestly, I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like I did when I think about you now.
Moving on to cleaning my glass top stove. If you've been here long enough, then you know that in my previous house we had an electric stove, or like the coiled top stove, and so this is all new to me. But I like to clean it with some power wash first, just scrub it down really well, and then I go in with a putty filler scraper, and I scrape all the the icky off, and then I'll wipe it clean with a paper towel, and then I'll go over it again with like a wet sponge, and then I dry it off with either a paper towel or a clean microfiber cloth. But usually if it's like really bad, which I try not to let it get that way, but if I do, I use the pink stuff and I scrub it down with that really well first. And I actually do like this glass top surface stove here, but in my next home, God willing, I would love to have a gas range. I had one growing up. I missed that clicky noise, and yeah, I just really want one. Well, we both want one, to be honest with you. But anyway, I like to make sure it's nice and clean over here as far as the glass top goes. I'm sorry, y'all. I just went into La La Land about a stove.
It's just you and I.
Okay, yeah, so this video is becoming a bit shameful over here, but anyway, this microwave is pretty gross as well. We eat a lot of popcorn, and so this little glass plate, it takes a beating. It's just covered in butter, but I'm going to microwave a little dish of water for about a minute, let the microwave get steamed up, and then it becomes easily cleanable, you know. You don't have to use chemicals. I sometimes like to put vinegar in it or fresh squeezed lemon juice, but I didn't have any lemons and I couldn't find my vinegar. Maybe I used it all and I just can't remember. But anyway, hopefully after this video, I can put that on my grocery list to get some more cleaning vinegar. But anyway, I digress. I just wipe it out with a microfiber cloth. Let me know how you clean your microwave. Maybe there's like an organic spray that's out there that I don't know about, so leave it down in the comments how you clean your microwave.
I wish you were mine, 'cause every time you pass me by, I fall in love, I fall in love. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. Ooh, there's something about you, I wish you were mine. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light?
I think I have some new faces in the comment section in some previous videos, so I just want to introduce myself before this video ends and I forget. My name is Denise. I am technically a stay-at-home mom, but I do consider myself a working mom because I am a content creator. I create content on this platform as well as Instagram, so consider following me over there. But I do put a lot of time into creating content. But anyway, I digress. Did I say I'm a mom of 2? Yeah, I have a little boy and I have a little girl. And yeah, on this channel, I like to do cleaning motivation videos, organization. I do vlog a little bit here and there, and I am trying to be consistent with my posting schedule of Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Right now, I'm posting at 9 a.m. because you all have agreed that that time works best for you, and I'm liking it too as well. So yeah, I just really appreciate you all for being here. Make sure you introduce yourself in the comments if you are also new to the channel, because I really appreciate that as well.
If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
Here's my thoughts on the oven cleaner. I like it. I think it was very effective. It did sit in the oven for approximately 2 to 3 hours because I had to leave to pick up my son from school and then went to a few shops, so it had a lot of time to marinate, and I think it did very well. I did use a lot of paper towels cleaning up this mess. I also wipe it out with a microfiber cloth. Will I use it again? Sure, I will use it again. I think I'll try to clean my oven weekly because I just cannot do this build up stuff. I don't know how I'll let it get this bad. I know a lot has been going on for me personally, and I just really truly neglected cleaning my oven, so really and truly it's my own fault. But yeah, I would definitely use this product again, but I still like the pink stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I still do like the pink stuff. But anyway, after I clean this oven and clean the racks, I will be sweeping the floors. I'm going to use my Tinaco, the wet dry vacuum mop, and then I'm going to steam mop it on top of that because I really like to double cleanse my floors if I'm not gonna mop my floors with the boiling hot water and all that jazzy stuff, because I just feel like it doesn't quite come clean. And I will show you the water from the wet dry vacuum so you know that the floor really needed to be cleaned and it really needed to be steam mop on top of that just to give it that extra cleanse and to give it that aromatic smell that I love so much, because I also put essential oils on top of the steam mop head. It smells so good. If you've never tried it in your own home, give it a try. The oil that I used in this video was lemon cupcake. Anyway, I have a link in the description. Check the description box for any links if you're interested in anything that I'm showing you here in this video today.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends, us being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, still can't believe you love me. Oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, still can't believe you love me.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter.
So So we're down to the fun stuff for this video. I am decorating the island here, and I'm gonna just set out some hand towels, and we're gonna be wrapping this thing up. I'm still using a knife to cut my floral stems because I still don't have any shears, but it's okay. I'm making it do what it do. And I got these florals from Publix. They were 3 for $12. And if you stay tuned to Saturday's video, then you'll know where all this stuff came from, as far as like the decor and all that other stuff. So yeah, look forward to that video. And yeah, we're almost finished.
I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told them I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I feel your presence on my skin. I feel you spreading out within. This time you got a hold on me, 'cause now I look at you differently, differently. Don't say I realized too late. Don't say you wanna give me space. Ooh, this time you got a hold on me, 'cause now I look at you differently, differently. I think we passed the point of playing pretend. Just wanna have you near from now to the end. Will you be with me but not as a friend? 'Cause now I look at you differently, How could I be so wrong? It took me way too long. Tell me real about you, real about the wine. It's time I take you.
Really quickly, this is a before of everything, before you get to see the after, so that you can appreciate all of the hard work that I put into this kitchen. I am so excited that it is finally clean from top to bottom. Oh my god, it smells so good in here. You have no idea how good it smells. That candle is lemon verbena. It smells so good. But anyway, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for being here. If you made it to the end of this video, if you have a flower emoji on your device, whatever you're watching me on, your tablet, your phone, your TV, maybe not the TV, but your tablet, your phone, leave me an emoji of a flower. I'll see you guys in my next video. I really do appreciate you all. Check the description box for any links, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet.